What's the meaning of commandeer? Commandeer. Commandeer.
Commandeer. Commandeer. Commandeer means to take control or possession of something, especially in a forceful or illegal manner. It often implies seizing property or resources for a specific use, usually without the owner's consent. The result of commandeering can range from minor inconvenience to serious legal consequences depending on the severity of the situation and the nature of the property or resources involved. In some cases, commandeering may be necessary for the public good, such as during a natural disaster or war, but it should always be done with proper authorization and compensation for the affected parties.